Are you seeking to elevate your desktop's performance to new heights? Look no further than the Crucial Pro RAM 64GB kit DDR4 3200MT. This powerhouse of a memory kit is designed to deliver plug-and-play high performance, ensuring that your system operates at its peak efficiency with minimal hassle. Whether you're a hardcore gamer, a multitasking enthusiast, or a productivity-focused professional, this RAM kit promises to revolutionize your computing experience. What sets this RAM apart is its versatility. Compatible with a wide range of systems, including 8th to 13th Gen Intel Core and AMD Ryzen 1000 to 5000 series desktop CPUs, it ensures universal compatibility, eliminating any concerns about whether it will work with your setup. Plus, its downclock capability means that even if your system only supports speeds of 3000 metric tons S or 2666 metric tons S, you can still enjoy the benefits of this high-speed RAM without any compromises. Thanks to its support for Intel XMP 2.0, you can recover memory speed in 4 DIMM configurations, ensuring that your system performs optimally even under demanding conditions. Say goodbye to lag and hello to smoother gameplay, faster multitasking, and enhanced productivity. With a memory speed of 3200 metric tons S, this RAM kit enables you to game at higher frame rates, tackle intensive tasks with ease, and save both time and money in the long run. Moreover, its ECC type, non-ECC, UDIM form factor, 288 pin count, and PC5-25600 speed make it a top choice for users who demand nothing but the best. Whether you're building a new rig or upgrading your existing setup, the Crucial Pro RAM 64GB kit DDR4 3200 metric tons S is a game changer. Don't settle for anything less than exceptional performance. Unleash the full potential of your desktop with this powerhouse RAM kit from Crucial. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.